So the first step, this is the one that you've been doing since you were born. Breathe in. And I mean this with all seriousness. Breathing is something that has been proven to be one of the best things to calm down the nervous system. So I'm going to give you a specific technique for breathing, very, very simple, and just do this together with me now. So we're going to breathe in through our nose for a count of 4. Hold it for a count of 4. And then breathe out through our mouth for a count of 8. Okay, so when to use this related to sexual performance anxiety? When you start to feel the feeling of, oh my God, that tension feeling of like, is this about to happen? What if I can't get hard? What if? And the thoughts start to spin and run. Soon as you get anywhere near to feeling that, I want you to do that breathing exercise, okay? We know that there's not a single one silver bullet that magically cures everything. We know that doesn't exist. The most important thing is breathing out for longer than I'm breathing in. So in for 4, hold for 4, out for 8.